We're back down, gonna give sturgeon fishing another shot this morning. We're gonna give it a good fair shake at it. So we're gonna see what happens. All right, I did bring some bass down with me that I saved from last year. So we're gonna throw that on the sturgeon rod. Always be checking your hook, especially these sturgeon. They do have a fairly hard mouth. The sharper it is, the better off you are. And everybody has their opinion on how to tie hooks and stuff on. And honestly, I've been doing this for a long time. Just your standard clinch knot, or what some people think is their fisherman knot. I have never lost a fish because of that knot. I did it from the last time I was down here, saved my rock. Just gotta find it now. Pretty sure I put it in the bag. Yep. I did. It is right here. Jab this delectable last year's bass head on. Now if I get a fresh one, I absolutely will switch it out. But you can kind of see that setup. Hopefully you can see that. It's the same as usual. Bass head. I got my peg float and a sinker slide. All right, let's get this in the water. Ain't gonna catch a fish unless the bait's in the water. Remember, adjust your casting braid. All right, we're fishing. Pull it up tight. Find a nice, good spot to lock this rod in. Not sure if I can get a good image of this, but right at the very top of that, it's a little herd of elk. One of the coolest animals out there. I love seeing elk. That's pretty neat. Maybe finally caught a fish. Oh, yep, I bet it's a chizelmouth on it too, which is cool. Yep, good bait, fresh bait. That's a decent one. We're gonna catch a couple of these. Put this guy on a stringer and might give me a couple. We just might try to eat one for lunch. Why not? Oops. All right, we got another chizelmouth here. Right there. We're gonna take this guy and put him on for bait. Look at his funny little nose. I think we're gonna do a moderately decent body section. So, let up hands. Let's get this guy back out. We'll see what happens. This is the rest of that chunk I threw out for sturgeon bait. Skinned it, cleaning off all the fat, because I don't want less chance of, the less mercury the better. So I'm cleaning all that up. I'm gonna cut the tail off because I know back from like right here back is pretty bony. So we're gonna cut the tail off. Trying not to dive my knife into that rock. And I'll go down and wash everything up. Water level's coming down. Not surprised, not surprised. It was moving all day. Okay, so here we go. And here's the squirrel. There's two of them there. Yeah, we're gonna eat that. Rinse them off a little bit. I brought down, I got the espresso breading I make. I'm gonna bread it in it. I got some oil, salt, pepper here. We'll sprinkle a little bit of each on that. A little bit on this side. Okay. Add a little bit of this mix to this baggie. Okay. We're gonna throw the squirrel into breading first. So I know it'll take longer to cook. We'll get it battered on up. She's a cooking. Get this chunk of fish in there. Smells good. I know some of y'all think I'm nuts, so whatever. All right, well, that's what she winds up looking like. Okay, not too hot. Here's the squirrel. It's a little bit chewy, but oh man, it is good. See, it's a dark meat. Now a chizelmouth. Look right there, see all them bones? They're pretty bony. They are extremely bony. It's a nice white fish. It's actually super, super mild. See, I mean, if you ever curious what they taste like, go ahead and give one a try. They're not horrible, but definitely not a fish I'm gonna seek after just to eat. Partially because they probably have a fair amount of mercury in them from the water. That's what to eat, but look at, see, bone, all these bones, bones. I mean, it's like just riddled with these little bones, little white bones. So there's that. I can pick through it. I don't know if I will or not. I mean, you get more bones than you do anything else. But if you're ever curious, there you go. They're really mild, flaky white fish. Just covered in bones. See how we did that and see the whole 3 bones right there. So it's not something I do regular. Would do really much of any time besides for fun. But squirrel, I actively go find these things. I don't care if it's a rodent. I'll tell you what, that is a tasty little rodent. Not much on them, but I got my rock back and everything back again, so that's always a bonus. But I'm reeling up and gonna head on out of here, head on home. Rock goes again, comes back. So we'll save it for next time. Well, I'm headed back on out of here, but no fish. But you know, that's this time of year, it's January, so it's just how these things go. I don't worry too much about it. It was nice getting out again. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like it, leave me a comment. So until next time.